Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of the famous Arabic dish which is chicken mandi. This has roasted chicken and subtle flavor of basmati rice. Chicken mandi is completely different from the biryani which we cook, and I'll highly urge you to try this at least once. I'm going to share the recipe of Salata Hara, which is a spicy tomato dip as well as green apple mojito. Without further ado, let's get started. For the chicken marinade, I'm adding 2.5 tablespoons of Mandi Masala. I bought it from Amazon and I'll leave the link in the description below. In goes 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder. If you want spicy one means you can add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. I'm adding in the crushed chicken stock, and this is from Maggi. Well, chicken stock has salt in it, so we should be mindful while adding salt. In goes juice of half a lemon. I'm adding less salt since chicken stock has salt in it. In goes 50 ml of olive oil. Mix it nicely until all the masalas combines well. At this point of time, you can taste this masala and check if the salt is in right quantity. Now add in the chicken pieces. I have drawn gashes over the chicken so that the masalas gets marinated well. Here we have taken one medium-sized chicken and cut it into 4 pieces. The chicken leg piece along with the thigh really tastes good, so this is my favorite one. I'm planning to make the chicken mandi next day, hence I'm marinating the chicken on the previous night. Apply the masalas evenly onto the chicken like this. It's good if you marinate the chicken overnight or else marinate it for at least 3 hours. I have covered the chicken pieces with the cling film and leave it in the fridge for overnight. The next day I have taken it out and look at it friends, the chicken has really marinated well. It's time to steam the chicken. Take 5 cups of water in a steamer. This is the cup I have used to measure the basmati rice. I used the same cup and took 5 cups of water. Now place the chicken pieces into the steamer. We need to steam the chicken pieces for 40 minutes. So 20 minutes we have to cook it on one side and flip it and cook it for the remaining 20 minutes. So each sides we have to cook it for 20 minutes. The chicken is cooked on one side for 20 minutes. The aroma is just filling in the kitchen. Now flip the chicken pieces and cook it for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the other side of the chicken pieces are cooked well. Now cool the chicken pieces slightly. While the chicken pieces are steaming, the stalks get collected over here. I added 5 cups of water which turned it into an aromatic chicken stock now. I have taken 2 cups of long grain basmati rice. We have to use the same cup to measure the water as well as the rice. Soak the basmati rice for 20 minutes. The rice is soaked well and it's time to cook it. Okay, here comes the remaining marinade which we used for the chicken pieces. The same mixing bowl, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of Mandi Masala powder. Little salt as needed. I'm adding in few drops of red food color. Mix it nicely with a spoon. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The masala powders will be thick at this point of time. I have added 2 tablespoons of chicken stock and mixed it. So this should be the consistency of the masalas. The steamed chicken pieces are cooled slightly and I am applying the masala powders over that. The chicken pieces are dressed well with the masalas and we'll be roasting it in now. Here I have taken few ingredients which we'll be using for cooking the rice. This is dried lemon which is important to make chicken mandi. I bought it from Amazon and leave the link in the description below. We need 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of whole pepper, 1 teaspoon of jeera. I have taken whole spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and bay leaf. Then we need 2 sliced onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 capsicum and 3 green chilli. I'm going to roast the chicken first. For that, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add in the chicken pieces and roast it on both the sides. Well, the chicken pieces are already steamed, so we are just roasting the chicken until it turns little brown color. The chicken pieces will be so tender and juicy because we are steaming as well as roasting it. Actually, we can have this chicken pieces as such. Add little oil while roasting the chicken. The first 2 chicken pieces are roasted and I'm adding the remaining 2. The roasted chicken pieces are ready now. So this oil will have a lot of flavors in it, so I don't want to lose it. Hence, I'm adding in 1 cup of reserved chicken stock into it. This is a chicken stock which we got while steaming the chicken. Cover it and leave it aside. I have taken a biryani pot and added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So the chicken mandi has lots of olive oil in it. Add in 1 teaspoon of jeera. In goes 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom and 5 cloves. In goes 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of whole pepper and salt it slightly. Add in 1 teaspoon of coriander seed. This coriander seed gives nice flavor to the mandi. Now add in 2 sliced onion into it. Saute it until it turns translucent. Add in couple of bay leaves. I'm adding in 3 green chilli. Now I'm adding 2 dried lemon and 1 capsicum. Chicken mandi has become recent favorite in my family. This has some unique taste which is not comparable to biryani. We do not want to overcook the capsicum, so saute it slightly. Now add in 2 teaspoons of Mandi Masala powder. I bought Mandi Masala powder as well as dried lemon from Amazon. I'm adding in 4 cups of chicken stock. So we have taken 2 cups of rice and hence I'm adding 4 cups of chicken stock. I have reserved 1 cup of chicken stock into the chicken fried pan and I'm adding it now. So it's 1:2 ratio. For 1 cup of rice, I'm taking 2 cups of chicken stock. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice and hence adding 4 cups of chicken stock. Mix it nicely and check for the salt and add it accordingly. Chicken mandi is famous Yemeni dish and it's quite available in India as well. Let the chicken stock along with the masalas boil well, so I'm covering it with the lid. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Let the chicken stock along with the masalas boil well, so I'm covering it with the lid. Here comes the flavorful steamed and roasted chicken. The chicken stock and the masalas are boiling now. It's time to add the basmati rice. I tasted the chicken stock and adding in little more salt. Now add in the soaked basmati rice. Cover the pot and cook the rice in medium flame. For the first 15 minutes, I'll be cooking the rice in medium flame. Just give it a stir in the middle. Look at it, friends. The rice is cooked almost to 50%. The rice has almost absorbed the chicken stock. After 15 minutes of cooking, I have placed the pot on a tawa. Now we have to cook the mandi in low flame. Cover the pot and cook the rice to 90%. The rice is almost cooked and it took another 20 minutes for me. How to know the cooking time? I used to taste the rice in the middle and check. At this stage, add in little red food color as well as yellow food color. This makes our chicken mandi restaurant style and little colorful. Place in the roasted chicken pieces onto the rice. The rice is cooked to 90% and we are just going to cook it for another 5 or 10 minutes. I'm just inserting 4 green chillies into the chicken mandi. Cover it and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes at low flame. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare Salata Hara, which is going to be served with chicken mandi. I have taken 1 onion, 2 tomato, 1 green chilli and some coriander leaf. If you want it to be more spicy means you can add 2 green chilli. Take it in a blender and we have to grind it coarsely. This is a spicy tomato dip which is served with Arabic rice. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, half teaspoon of Jeera powder and salt as needed. So we have to grind it coarsely and not smoothly. So our Salata Hara is ready now, which will be served with chicken mandi. Here I am burning the charcoal which will be using it for the rice. I'm going to infuse this charcoal flavor into the chicken mandi. For that, place a small bowl in the middle like this. Place in the charcoal into the bowl and drizzle some ghee. Cover it immediately and leave it for 5 minutes. Our delicious aromatic Yemeni special chicken mandi is ready now. I'm going to transfer this chicken mandi on a serving plate. For that, removing the chicken pieces and I'm going to mix the rice. You could see red as well as yellow color of the rice and it's really appetizing. To accompany the chicken mandi, I'm preparing green apple mojito. I'm shaving some ice cubes here. The shaved ice are ready now and let's prepare some soda. I'm preparing soda from soda maker and you can buy it from store as well. Here I have taken some mint leaves and some lemon pieces. Crush the lemon as well as mint leaves. Fill in the cup with the ice shaves. Adding in 2 tablespoons of green apple syrup. This green apple syrup is available in Amazon as well. Fill the cup with soda. If you find it less sweet means you can add green apple syrup. Refreshing green apple mojito is ready now. Our delicious chicken mandi is ready to be served now. You can have it with Salata Hara, green apple mojito as well. This is fruit custard jelly pudding and I'll share the recipe in a separate video. Do try this chicken mandi and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.